Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method of Python, which is sorted. So sorted method or function is mainly used to sort the data either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay. There are multiple scenarios where we can utilize this function. So here I have noted down some of them, like total 5 scenarios are there where we are using this sorted function in different ways. Okay. So we'll start from the first scenario and one by one we will discuss each scenario along with their output. So let's look at the line number 8 from where we have started the first scenario. So here what we are doing, we are declaring one list. So this is list. If you are not sure about the list, list is something in which we are storing inside a square bracket. Okay. And here we have stored the numbers like 5, 2, 8, 1, 9. Okay. Now suppose the requirement is that we want to sort this number in either ascending order or in descending order. So for now I will show you with the ascending order. So I'm just removing this thing from here. We will discuss it later, like what is this reverse. Okay. So what we are doing, we are just passing this list into sorted function as an argument. So what it will do, it will sort this number into ascending order. So in that case it should show the output as 1 2 5 8 9. Okay, so let's try to run this program. I just saved this and I'm running one program on my terminal. So let me scroll it up, drag it up. Yeah, so here I will write python space and here I will put my program name, which is session 60.py, and then hit enter. So you can see it prints some output for the scenarios. Now for now we will just focus on the first one, which is printing 12589. It means it sorted the number into ascending order. Okay, now we will move to the second scenario. For the second scenario, what we are doing, we are using the same list, but this time we have stored the number as a strings, not as a like we have stored the element as a string, not as a numbers. Okay, so you can see on line number 14, first element is banana, second is apple, third is cherry. So let's say if you want to sort this elements in ascending order but in terms of characters, so how to do this? So for that you just need to pass the string as it is, as we were doing in the above scenario. We are just passing it as it is. So what it will do, it will automatically sort your characters or your string into alphabetical order or lexicographical order. Okay, so you can see the output is apple, banana and cherry. Okay, so A, B and C alphabetically it sorted these elements. So this is how we can utilize sorted function with string elements. We are storing the string into list. Okay, now look at the third scenario. Here we have just stored one string, which is python, into one variable text. Now what we are doing, we are sorting this with the help of sorted function. So it will sort the string. What it will do, it will break out the entire string into characters, and then those character will be in a sorted form in a ascending order. So you can see it is printing the output as HNOPTY. Okay, so it breaks out the entire string into number of characters, which is acting as a each element of the list, and then it sorts the data. So you can see HNOPTY. Okay, so this is the comment I have put so that you can see the output here as well, like what is the output. Okay, now we will move to the fourth scenario. Here what we are doing, we are declaring one variable. It's actually not a variable, it's a tuple. So yes, we can use the sorted function with list, tuple, strings. Okay, so in tuple is something which is like which you can identify with the help of these curly braces. So when you are storing data into a curly braces, it will be known as a tuple. There are many other things related to tuple, but we will discuss it later. For now we are just covering the all functions. Okay, so we are sorting it, but here you can see I am passing another argument, which is reverse equals to true. So if you take your mouse on the sorted function, it will indicate you the proper like syntax, Okay, although syntax is quite simple, you just pass the argument and it will work accordingly. So here we are passing the another argument which is reverse equals to true. So what it will do, it will sort the number but in reverse order because we make the reverse equals to true. So it means it will sort the numbers in descending order. So you can see for this scenario output is coming like 98521, but it should be 12589 because previously was we saw that it is printing the data in ascending order, but as we have mentioned the second argument reverse equals to true, that's why it is printing the numbers in reverse order, okay, or descending order. So likewise you can pass for the string as well. Okay, now look at the fifth scenario. Here we are using the string list again, but this time we are passing the another argument which is key. So what it will do, it will sort the data but in terms of length of that particular string, not as per the alphabetical order. So you can see BA is coming as a first element because the length of BA is less as compared to length of apple and cherry. But if you are if we didn't pass this option, then it will go like apple, banana, BA and cherry. But right now we are sorting the strings as per the length, so that's why it is printing BA, apple and cherry. Okay, so this is how we can use sorted function for the string elements and with a length like with the scenario where we are sorting the strings as per their length. Okay, len is indicating length. Now if you look at the first scenario again, if you want to sort these number also in a reverse order, so just go and simply write reverse, hit enter, not reverse, it's reverse. Okay, let me correct this. So you just need to write reverse. Okay, reverse, then hit give a space, and after that you can simply write equal to in a same way. Like here you can see we are using reverse. So just I'm copying it from here. Sometimes it doesn't show the exact thing, but in that case you can simply either write by your own or you can take a copy. So you can see reverse equals to true, which means reverse equals to true. Then simply go. Okay, yeah, so sorry, we were pasting it in a wrong place, that's why it is showing error. So we just need to put it here in the sorted function, right? Because we are writing in wrong place, that's why it is giving an error. So just select the reverse and this time you can use true. Okay, that was my mistake. I was trying to write this inside a list, which is not correct, right? We have to use this second argument inside the sorted function. So now it accepted, and if I save this program and rerun the program, it should show the output as descending order. So if I hit enter, so you can see this time it is printing output as 98521. Okay, so whenever you want to do the sorting in reverse order or in a descending order, you can use the second argument as reverse equals to true. But whenever you want to go with a normal approach, like without this second argument, it will sort the data in ascending or increasing order. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In this session, we just covered all the scenarios where we can utilize the sorted function. In the next session, we will discuss another function. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmat.